If the choice is what you're after, then you've come to the right place. Introducing Seren. Located in the center of the city in Swansea, close to the University of Swansea and University of Wales Trinity St. David, this brand new student accommodation offers a huge selection of rooms ranging from sleek studios to 6 to 12 bed ensuite apartments. Relive your friends' moments at the spacious cluster bed ensuites, which includes a private bedroom along with a shared kitchen and communal space. All the rooms here come with their very own smart TV. For those looking to live independently and wish to have more privacy, multiple studio room options will surely make you happy. In the mood for some fun? Head to the vibrant social spaces in the property, designed to keep you charged up the whole year round. If you enjoy working out, the absolutely huge on-site gym is a real treat for breaking out a sweat. Need to take a break from your studies? Binge watch your favorite shows at the Communal lounge or challenge your friends to a game in the gaming room. The choice is yours. With a great locality and even greater amenities, Seren in the city of Swansea has got your back. Visit amberstudent.com to make your booking today.